Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This bike is not just an evolution, it's a revolution in the middleweight sport bike category. Let's explore what makes this model stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 ZX-6R boasts a striking design that combines aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Featuring sharp lines and an updated fairing, the bike enhances its track-ready look while improving airflow. The LED headlights provide a modern touch, ensuring visibility both day and night. With multiple color options, riders can express their personality while enjoying the sleek aesthetics. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the ZX-6R is a potent 636cc inline-4 engine. This powerplant delivers an exhilarating performance with increased torque and horsepower, making it ideal for both track days and spirited street riding. Kawasaki has refined the throttle response, providing smoother acceleration and greater control. The bike's lightweight chassis further amplifies its agility, ensuring cornering precision like never before. Technology and features. Kawasaki hasn't skimped on technology in the 2025 ZX-6R. The bike is equipped with a comprehensive TFT display that offers essential information at a glance, including riding modes, gear position, and lap timer. Advanced electronic aids like traction control and a quick shifter enhance both safety and performance, allowing riders to focus on the thrill of the ride. Suspension and handling. The suspension setup on the 2025 ZX-6R features fully adjustable front and rear components, providing riders with the ability to tailor their setup for various riding conditions. Whether you're hitting the racetrack or navigating city streets, the bike delivers a smooth and responsive experience. With improved weight distribution, the handling feels balanced and predictable, inspiring confidence in every turn. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a remarkable blend of performance, technology, and design. It caters to both seasoned riders and newcomers looking for an exhilarating experience. If you're in the market for a middleweight sport bike, the ZX-6R deserves your attention. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and motorcycle content.